Hello friends, best greetings from Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. My name is Victor Fursov, I am a research entomologist and I am studying small parasitic wasps of a family Chalcidoidea, Trichogrammatidae of a superfamily Chalcidoidea of order Hymenoptera, which are very small, from 0.5 mm up to just only 1 mm. That's why it's quite difficult to show them here, because they're very tiny, just only 1,000, maybe 10,000 of them in this jar. But I can show you some of them on these pictures, because they're very small. But here, these are drawings, old-style drawings, color-colored drawings, which were published in paper of Atlas of Entomophagus insects of Ukraine. Here, different Entomophagus insects, different Chalcid wasps of families. Eolophidae, family Eolophidae as well, Encertidae, Pteromalidae, Chalcid wasps including different families, or these Eurytamidae families. These are Perilampidae, and also here some other ichneumanoid wasps, which are quite bigger, from 5 mm and up to 20 mm, quite big one, large size, much bigger than Chalcid wasps. So entomologists, taxonomists are studying these insects under the microscope, taking photographs, not only using this very simple microscope. We are using different powerful types of microscope, Japanese style Olympus microscopes, very powerful, using together with computer system to take photographs and making these photographs and using them for scientific publications. Not only we use here colored drawings, but we are publishing papers in different journals, like this journal of Ukrainian Entomological Society, and some other international journals, because now it's not only prestigious, but it's an obligation to publish results in English language in international journals with high citation index, to represent your publication, your results of your study in English language worldwide, for general scientific evaluation, your results and comparison of your results with other results in other countries. It's much easier, because science of entomology is open science, so everyone can read it, can understand it in English language for sure. For example, we can easily publish in Transactions of American Entomological Society, because this journal is available to all scientists all around the world. Here published papers, scientists publishing here from Turkish Republic, from India, from Myanmar, from Ukraine, from other countries, not only from United States of America. This journal of Transactions, American Entomological Society, and other journals. Some journals are electronic, so they're deposited just in the web. But some journals, like this one, were printed journals. And these journals are coming to our library of Institute of Zoology of National Academy of Sciences, which is located near Metro Teatralny in Kyiv, with address Bogdan Khmelnytsky Street 15. So welcome to our library to study entomological literature if you are in Ukraine. But how we are collecting material for our scientific study? We're using different methods. The most widely distributed, available, not simple but hard-working method is collecting during summertime, springtime, maybe autumn time, using these yellow pen traps. This is a very successful method for collecting Hymenoptera group and other groups of insects. You have to use these bright yellow color plates, like this, different size, from 15 centimeters size diameter or even 20 centimeters diameter. So like this, 15 or 10. This method of collecting using yellow pen traps is widely used by entomologists all countries around the world. Because how you can use it? You can use it in tropical forest, in deciduous forest, in steppe region, even in desert, everywhere. But you need to be careful because you fill these plates with water, just with very simple water, not with gas water. You dissolve here just 2 big spoons of salt. Drop here 1 small spoon, 2 spoons of salt for protection of material in salty water. 1 spoon of detergent like shampoo, and you fill all these plates with water with shampoo. So insects are flying everywhere around, and so they're flying and dropping, falling down in these plates, and they're drawing. So because of salt, they're preserved for 1-2 days, and during the week, every 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, you have to check plates because water is evaporating in hot climate, but in salt material is safe. And after that, you use just small net, I don't have it now, to fill it, to transfer this from water to the small aquarium net, to select all material and put the plates with water and shampoo again back on the ground, somewhere near a river, near the grass, under the trees, or even on trees if you like, just on soil, and fill again with water and wait for 1-2 days. And material, you are bringing material to the laboratory, cleaning all collected material from salt and from shampoo and detergent under the clean water, and separate them in small different petri dishes, small jars, up and door jars, or in glass jars, glass tubes. Or you can use these plastic tubes or this kind of tubes after medicine. And you separate all conducted material here. Or you can use just this type of jars after just different children's food, for instance, and fill it with all this material inside, and plus label, of course, where did you collect it. It's very important. Label is the most important. So far, so good. You can collect many samples. All samples can be mixed initially, but during winter time or just free available time, you have to separate different groups of insects and some other invertebrates in these jars and keep them here inside already in a stock. From the same place, here will be like small plastic tubes inside one sample, because they are separated on different groups but collected in the same place, in the same day, in the same locality. This is one opportunity to collect insects with yellow pen traps, and the second one to put different host samples in separate tubes, like these small tubes. Again, you have to collect host, native host. This is host, can be like eggs of insects, larvae of insects, pupa of insects, with small piece of plant like leaf, stalk, bark. Put them here, close it with a cotton, because sample should be breathed in carefully. And after that, plus here label, very important, place of collecting, date of collecting, who collected, if you collected or another one. And keep these samples here with eggs, larvae, pupa, or galls separately, or fruits or seeds in separate small samples, just under your very careful observations. After that, during the summer, spring, or even autumn period, you carefully check in these samples, and if someone has reared it, oh, you are very lucky. So you can take them off and separate them, put in smalls another sample with separate label preliminary identification, and again with label of collected material, of collected place, date, time and locality, and collector for sure. So these are two more major methods: collecting with yellow pen traps, collecting with different host material. This method is called rearing of material, rearing and maybe sometimes breeding material on the same host. You have large samples you can breed from on the same host during a certain period of time when host is still available for you and for your parasitoid. So that's why you can receive more individuals for the study under the microscope. This one, or very powerful one for taking photos under the different angles, for correct morphological study and for identification of species, for study morphology, for study biodiversity, because you need to know precisely identification of this or that species of insect or another invertebrate. So this is short story about insects, how entomologists are doing: collecting, sorting, studying, investigating, and even publishing material in scientific papers. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to press like, write your comments, ask your questions, and don't forget to visit my Patreon page for donations, or Monobanka for donations, to be sponsor and donator. And don't forget, Ukraine, stand with Ukraine, and Ukraine will win. Good luck, see you soon on my channel. To be continued. See you soon.
Hello my dear friends, best greetings from Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine. If you have any questions about entomology, about insects inside your house, inside your flat, or maybe in your garden or orchard, so you can send me your private message on my email, and I will be very pleased to answer your questions, or maybe give you kind of advice how to get rid of these insects inside your house, or maybe in your orchard or garden. So as far as possible, I can try to be useful for you. But if you want to support my channel, so welcome to go to Patreon page. And this is special Patreon page where you can support my channel. So you can send a couple of your American dollars, or just British pounds, or French, or just European euros on this account. So I will be very pleased to have you as a sponsor, and I will indicate you as a patron in the subtitles of my video as sponsor who supported video and supported entomological science on my channel. Thank you very much. Good luck and see you soon on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and welcome to my Patreon page. Bye bye, see you soon on my channel and to be my sponsor.
And the last but not the least, if you like nature, if you like insects, invertebrates, animals, as I like, as I love, subscribe to my channel. Write your comments, ask your questions, and if you need some advice, ask your advice. And good luck, see you soon on my channel. Bye bye.